Hello learners, today I will be explaining the long U vowel sound, the various ways to spell them from the Marva Collins program. Let's take a look at the long U card from Marva Collins Phonics. There are several different spellings of the long U sound. Let's review some of them. Long U, U, U. U with the macron says U. So, for example, you could have a word like unicorn or united states or music. The long U spelling of the long U sound. Let's look at another combination of letters that make the long U sound. Long U, U, blank, E says U. So you could have a combination like, oh, aren't they cute? U, blank, E. Or you might have mule. Or you could see, that's a terrible U, sorry about that. Or you could have a word like cube. U blank E says U. Let's do another combination of letters that make the long U sound. Long U, U, U. The combination of U, E says U. So you could have the word true or blue. U-E says U. Long U, U. You'll see this combination of letters. U-I says U. You'll see that in the word fruit. U-I says U. Long U, U. Another combination of letters, E-U says U. So you could see that combination in the word feud, E-U, or Zeus, E-U, or eulogy, E-U. E-U says U. Long U, U. E-W. That combination of letters says U. So you are familiar with the word few, or you. The combination of E and W says U. Long U, U. You'll also see these combinations of letters, E, A, and U. E-A-U says U, as in the word B-E-A-U-T-Y, beauty. And then there's some other combinations. Sometimes you'll see an O that says U, and that would be T-O-2. O says U. And you'll also see a combination of two O's that say U, and that would be the word two. So double O says U. Lots of different spellings of the long U sound.